And welcome back to yet another vlog. For those who do not know me, I am Buhle B. Thank you for subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, a warm welcome back to you. You're the nose ring. A warm welcome back to you. I'm so happy to be recording this again, guys. Before I go on about what's gonna be happening, I just want to say thank you for showing me so much love. I had a target when I was posting, and you guys, like, we reached the target. We even went beyond the target, of which it's a good thing, because when I was posting the video, the Dalu poster, and I had thought a lot of people had lost faith in me, but I was actually shocked. Yo, Mudimu. Today it's Monday. I'm not really sure about the time, but I think it's around past 9, because in the Jimin. Oh, my skin is giving. Ooh. So what I'm gonna do now, I need to go look for a phone for my brother. I have a brother who is in matric, and his phone died. So I was gonna give him my old phone, but now in my games that this old phone already, before I bought this one, it's acting up, and for someone who's doing matric, I don't think that phone is gonna help, because banya like you know, like they charger, and it has days where like they charger, and then for some reasons if in a battery, but no one used it. So yabona ikijeme not jeme like ijeme then icime. So I don't think I want to give it to him. Also, his birthday is okay in May, but ngoba wayengicela iskipa sebhola, and and son, I went to look for that shirt this other time, that I realized by it's like 1K and above. So now that he needs a phone, I'm like, why not just buy a phone instead of a shirt? I mean, he can always get a shirt. So I'm still on my gym fit. It's comfortable because Dizozula. I think, I'm not sure Bandu Kangelapi, but I know which phone I'm looking for. And for Tabambi Sekot. And also I am writing today. M17 we had assessments, and then at the end of those assessments there's an exam. So I need to complete that exam. I thought it was due tomorrow, but on the calendar online it's due Thursday, but because I had prepared myself to write it today, so I'm just gonna get over and done with it namhlanje. But ngoni ndizawuphuma, and yeah, sizawuhamba nizonke. Let me just grab my things. And I think I'm gonna do my hair, but I'm not sure when, because I'm and the husband for no wins and on. Okay, let me get my yeah, I'm done. This is the feet. So yeah, I took everything that I might need. You guys, I don't know how I'm feeling right now, but yeah, I'm also feeling like a big sister that I've always wanted to be. So yeah, I'm gonna go get Sana to find a mirror and show you my full fit, because my mirror is not clean. I'm gonna clean it when I come back. But yeah, that's amazing. Also, I took my router with me because I want to send the phone like today, but before I send it, I need to call them at home and ask if is there anyone at home before like I get the phone delivered there. So yeah, I took my router for that, and if you wanna know how I really looked go through my videos when I started this channel, you'll see the difference. You'll see I've been plugging you all. And the next thing does what are you using? I'm using the soap that's on my previous videos. I'm using that soap. DM me and then I'll send it to you. Shopping. Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm very late for my exam. Not really. Okay, yes, I'm late because I had planned to write it at a certain time, but Tiona, it's still open because it's only closing there's in 28 isn't it? I which one does, but get 28. So yes, okay, this thing. I got the phone. I got the phone, and yeah, I'm happy that I got it. And I'm a send the phone. Because I thought I was gonna send it today, but yeah. And with the courier guy thingy, I need to download the app, and I saw Uber EP up and down, but now is that my network was tripping. I couldn't get the app, but yeah, and if many phone and it's my skin. This shirt is dirty. Don't mind the stain. Then I tell you it's a surprise. Yeah, now to my phone, but actually I'm not. Also, guys, app they're running a special. Like, I was so shocked when I got there because barely read, but I'm about to go broke. This phone, I think it's 2K if I'm not mistaken, or 2 point something, but I only got it for 600 rands, and then you pay the rest later. Yeah, you pay the rest later. For this phone, I'm gonna be paying one something until I finish the whole amount. So yeah, that's why I took it. It's okay. Yeah. Let's move to something else. I also got something. I got a ring light. Kumali negotiate, but then I didn't negotiate because this ring light, it was like 300 rands, and now the complainer the complainer and then I did desperate for it, so I ended up getting it for 150. This is how it looks. So guys, now nizoya kuhlala apha xa ndifuna uthetha nani, nizawuhlala nabakuphi ngoku. So I'm only gonna connect it xa ndigqibobhala. Oh, also I got myself a hairspray because ndizayokwenza intloko yam soon. Ne-hairpiece wethu because bayadura aba xa ufuna nge-hairpiece yam. So ndizawutya ngoku because khange nditye ekuseni, ndihamba ndayejimi ndabuya ndingatyanga, ndahamba ingona ndibuya. So ndiqala nditye before ndibhale. Also while my laptop is charging, because andithanda usebenzisela etsharjeni I can't really touch a light, but it's mentally charging. So I try as much as I can to charge it because it's already been busy in a movie. So I'll go and then I'll start writing. And I don't think I'm gonna write with you guys because time is not on my side already. Also, the phone benzo is to write. I charge, but clearly I charge because I need to connect one of the phones with WhatsApp web where the link is, and then yeah. So yeah, guys, let me eat because you. Yes, Hannah, I forgot to show you guys this. I got a new phone cover, but I don't like it. And it turned, and I don't think I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna wait for Uban Benimal and Tenge. I really don't like this. I hate it. Okay, maybe hate is just me being dramatic. And it turned, and the bonang by so different upon a ring light. And it was very cheap. Like I should have known. But icona into off. And yes, I liked the color, but I don't like this, so I'm not gonna use it. One thing about me, when my hair is not done, I always look like a criminal. But anyways, guys, I'm just here to tell you that I wrote and I wrote well. But yeah, I don't know anxiety as in these assessments, guys. I just couldn't wait for this week to come. As much as I'll try and do them prior, but they were too long. Here's multiple choice question. Boring and long. Anyways, I wanted to talk about my nails. I'm sure you guys can see on the previous clips that they're different from these ones. I had to change them because that shape was fine until I don't know if it was the filing, and I don't know because I don't like the way bends in a corner. Like I got to a point like and I became complain about them limaza, and then I was like inyanga izawuphela nini ndistake nengxaki ezandleni noma nginxiba ibibambelela noma nenza ntoni as long as ndibana into ilaphi iyabambelela iyaqazula. And I don't know what kind of nails are those, but yeah, so I just went to change them, and before we could put the topping I just loved this one, like this plain purple, so I was like it's fine. But anyways, guys, now I'm gonna leave to get Uyaya, and yeah, I'm gonna leave my phone behind because the battery it's almost dying. Honestly, today there's nothing much besides all the things that I've shown you. Also, I'm gonna show you guys the weather has changed, so I think because we know more and that's not sun. But yeah, this is Sana. I'm so upset right now. I thought I was gonna take you guys through my evening, but and yes, man, and as nobody sign, guys. It's probably my third video and complaining about my friend. Don't you got no complain, guys? Don't you got no complain, guys? Lomde when pakele ring light akafakanga ibutton. Le ring light ne in a control button normal ring light, but khona leyo light ihlala emva kwayo. Andazi lamfana ikupheleni and mazi mna ndiya-connect ring light ndiyayilight ndoyika noyisebenzisa because I don't even know at this point, but ndiyayibona iyasebenza, but ndoyika uyisebenzisa ngomso ndifuna uyibuyisela sana. Ndifuna banike laa bhathini okanye bandibuyisele imali yam because sana this is not it between like I'm so upset. I'm just gonna read a book because wow, I've never been so disappointed empilweni. Yes, bendi ready guys, bendi ready to to use my ring light, but pike san. Yo, oh my friend will be the death of me. Like bazondibulala aba bantu aba. And for some reasons I keep on going back. Because benizixelele ring light andizuyithenga kubo. Ndizoyithenga mhlambe take a lot. Dim low ndiyitshenge kubo. Yo, I'm just gonna read a book, guys, and sanibona ngomso.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want up the lane in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my voice low. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby.
Hey guys, yo, so tired. Guys, ukuhlala phansi kuyadenisa, yo, but yeah, I'm back. I just finished eating, so I'm just gonna change or wear something warmer because you're ndigodolile phandle, and take the ring light back. They said I could bring it back. Ekuseni xa ndiyoyenza intloko bendisonqena nayo because ndihambe ekuseni kakhulu, and I knew that abakavuli, and bendingafuna uxhakazela nomntana, yabo, because bendikhapha noyaya esikolweni. So ndabuya ke ngoku ndatya ndaresta, yo, oko bendidiniwe kukuhlala. But ngoku I'm just gonna change and then take the ring light back. Then after that ndizawubuya I think I wanna take a nap. I'm really tired. I wanna take a nap. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far, and this is my hairstyle. I went for a straight up again, just that a plain one with no like hairstyle nyan. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Also, guys, something is disturbing me here. Also, guys, each and every time after posting, 2 days after posting on my channel, I'm gonna post, is it a poll on Instagram? You should follow me on Instagram for what I'm thinking to post next, and then I'll let you guys decide. Like, I always put 2 options, then you guys can vote for what you want to see next. That's where we are gonna be engaging. Also, the comment section, guys, comment section must communicate. Sanutula, yo, nina kesan, yo, nina kesan. And if we continue wrong, but then I get dala ni tetil. Get dala ni comment ile na teta na drag. But yeah, guys, I'm forcing this. You? Sana. You? Yes, when the ring light hamne. It's the adapter. It's this part. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, it's this part, but yeah, it's not working. Well, I use adapter of excitement is going to put this on. I'm using the adapter phone yam indala ne, and this adapter ubonisa uba nyhani inengxaki shem. Le phone yam yakudala xa ndiyitshajile ne, it takes time, like it takes time in a way that sometimes ndingayitshaja like i-battery low, and then xa usithi it doesn't charge anymore. And ndiqale unotice I think last weekend. I even thought because uyayibeka edlalela apha, so ndacinga noba futhi bengadlali bemile, ndacinga noba uye wakhapha iplug ngemistake, but xa ndifika iplug ayidisturbekanga yabo. So I think nyhani nengxaki because ndiconnecte ngenye adapter ngoku iyasebenza bethunana. Before ndinibonisa le nto ndifuna ndibonisa yona, jongani ke sana, jongani. Yo, okay. Yabo, tshintsha nekhala. So excited mntakabawo. But anyways guys, benifuna nokuxelela how my day went. It went well, and yeah, I did most of the things that I wanted to do today. Futhi, it was not a lot. Okay, yeah, it was not a lot. I had to deliver a soap. I had 2 people who wanted the soap. I had to deliver it, and I did. I had to go into my hair. I did. Had to go take the ring light back, but yeah, I didn't take it back because it's working. And then usually ndimcheba. Oh, I also wanted to exchange this. I thought about it, but money exchange, but the zonke covers zabo so it was pointless. And kaloku mna ndingilo ufumana izinto nge-half price, so noba bendiyijikisa bendizayithatha phi pouch 30 rand kwenye indawo, so ndivele ndayithatha away. But I'm not going to use it. I'm going to give it to someone else. I have a few people that are using this iPhone 11, so ndizayipha omnye wabo wethu. So uyaya, I bought this. Uyaya ixesha elininzi ndimcheba when I am home, because most of the time, like most of our weekends sispendela khona. So usually inwele zakhe xa zikhula kakuhle mhlawumbi siyotshaga yabo, but this time nothing is coming together for me this week. So it doesn't even look like I'm gonna be visiting home or utatake, because sometimes uchetywa ngutatake xa chekele utatake. So this was on sale at least, like it was 150. Okay, I'm gonna go get a scissor because sana I'm not about. So guess sana ngoku I'm gonna have to put this together and test it, because mele achebe sana, mele achebe uboya. Yo, not even a scissor. It's okay. Oh, so yeah, this was 158 clicks, and I actually wanted lena echargewayo qha uyicharge then ihlale ingaplagwa, the wireless one. But ke ngoku ndisinto ezinyawo because it was on sale. The last time ndibona it was on sale, but uya wayichebile and ndaqonda wethu I'll get it some other time. Ngoku ndiyazisola ke sana because ndandinayo imali ngoku yaqhana le nto sixola uba wethu uchebile, and then I'll use money for something else. Ngoku ndiyazisola because lena, but incinci wethu I think I'll be able to travel with it. For instance, if like siyochaka kwagogo yabo, or siyochaka wherever, if we're gonna visit like for too long, that into zakhe zizokhula like ngoDecember, because nokuboleka sana kuyadika yo. Because ekhaya I'm using my brother's. Yena ke akafana isebenzisa, akafana usebenzisa umshini wakhe because he's always going esalon. Besinana iqinile nansi into sana, ayikazuki ayenzi needs. And I'm trying ukuthi ndiqhaqe kakuhle le package for in case bana kunanto wrong ndikwazi uyibuyisela. Oh guys, I'm gonna do this. Yo, hayi sana besenikhalala sana because kune ndiyisika, but this is how it looks. And then yo, andikaze nda-unboxa this thing. Mna ndiyazibona izinto andizazi noba ndayazi uba ziikama, but andiyazi uba each comb yenza ntoni. Because as I was saying, le nose ring man, as I was saying, for me they all look the same, but Z4. And then there's a mini brush nento iliquid sana. So this, but I'm also gonna do my research, guys, and just so I don't waste them, yabo, or if I can sell them, dadala. But nazi, okay, yeah, nazi. I've seen like esaluni. Now the time that sorry, I forgot to switch off my Wi-Fi, so I've been running notifications. But yeah, as I was saying, we doesn't need this, but I'm gonna keep them. And yeah, now it's really details on guy. Yo, Nancy, and yes, but I don't care. I've never seen this before. But since I joined by seconds of 10. Nancy le brush, but I'm assuming Lena you clean blade. So yeah, guys, this is what I got for you. I thought Nzomcheba namhlanje, but and he looks tired. Sauce is out, yeah, and then I'm gonna bath him and put him to sleep.
God were sustained through every season that the world went through because they put their trust in Him. Because when your trust is in the Lord, you are secure.
You know, it's easy to say that we trust succeed, but to let Him succeed on His terms and in His way and in His time, not on my terms or in my way or in my timing. To trust God is to say, I'm going to let God do what He wants to do. Lord, I'm not going to argue with you.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions of replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. We don't really want to fight, so I get away. I sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
Kisana, I'm back, and I just wanted to show you guys what I went to get a ShopRite. So I got these because it's been a while since I had them. Also, yeah, it's time. And now that it's gonna be Okay, never mind. But yeah, and then now I got him these as well for Kusneka apparently. Yo, and then yo Kulele City, and then Tangela Nes biscuits. Then the Tanga this for my muesli. The Tanga eat cheese. Yo. And then cheese, we have a very good relationship. The Tanga into future life for if I'm feeling muesli, I'll just use it as a shake. Also for uyaya as a porridge. The Tanga and energy bar. This I love this flavor, which is yogurt. It's nice. And I only started eating this when I was expecting uyaya. Kukona writing like esikolweni, a classmate of mine. I started loving this since then. Also, I'm hungry. I'm really trying to. Well, I bought 18 because I'm sorry as much as I used to, but so sometimes they are available. And then this, because I'm a beef cubes, a beef stock. So yeah, that's what I got as in the bit short of it. And then this I'm gonna eat while sending my emails. Also I have to go and deliver a soap for someone, but I'm gonna do that for now. Okay, it's 10:20. I'm gonna go around 12 probably. Hopefully to be sent rested because I'm tired. I'm really tired. But I'm hoping by around that time I'm gonna go so that because we rest before I fetch uyaya. I also wanted to rearrange my room, but anyway, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it today on Gomso. But so I'm gonna make food while I'm sending emails. We'll send the emails together. Guys, the dinner, man. And this is extra nice, so you should try the energy bar, the jungle, a yogurt flavor. It's very nice. I love it so much. Make food. Okay, guys, I just finished bathing. The flat medium are going out. I'm going to deliver the soap, and then we decided to go grab a ikota. So yeah, go there. I'm just touching up. And by the way, I got this perfume. I'm trying it out from a colleague. If you want one, DM me, I'll pass her numbers. It's only for 70 rands, and the nice thing is that you can take it now and pay later. Okay, this is my outfit.
And watch me over until